Alright guys, got this stabs that I just made in Serum. Got to film it. Thought it was filming but not. What I'm doing is treating them, it's this one, treating it like a base, like a mid base. Now I've done -12 on it. It's super dubby. And I've put this reverb send going on it. And a bit of more reverb here, but then on the channel what I've done is boosted it here. Stuck the overdrive on it. Bit of erosion. This is another one. And that's what you can see being automated there. So it's like automating the harmonics within it, making it a bit more interesting. And for group Pro, I'm going to try the Pro L, so I want to get the levels right. It's here, it's between 15 and 12. And that one's reaching above. Yep. That one's super loud. I bet they're quite loud, -12. Don't want them all exactly the same. And that one is pretty quiet. Quite space, that's like a transitive pad or something. I'm going to put that at the start as well. Right, I'm going to get rid of these ones now because they're old ones. Bit of reverb, just to glue it, take away the sub, make it mono, bring the mix back, put the limiter after, try glue it together a little bit extra with this one. Cool, and that rim, that snare, you can send it to these other delays we've got. Got another delay to play with there. Just need to tame it a bit. A bit of saturator. Cool, now the kick drum. I've kind of done a lot of processing. Without it, it's like this. Quite subby. And with quite knocky, because we don't want it fighting with the sub. So the first thing's this. And then that's like the main fundamental. Pro C. Compressor and the clipper. So it's very clipped there. We've got -9 on the ceiling. And then this one, so you can see each plugin's got its purpose. We've got the volcano. That one's not in use, but this one, let me show you how to do it. Envelope follower. Click transient. Drag that to there. Oof, that'd be quite nice there. And the OTT, just a bit of it. I have to retune it now because I changed it slightly. And then that transient shape there. Maybe I've made it a bit subby now. Sharpen it up. And then I've got this new plugin. Multi-band transient shaper. Be using that a lot soon, but Let's have a look now. Stick a Pro L on the kick snare group. Snare's too loud. Maybe I turn the kick up a bit. Just trying to match the levels on the visual. Then a lot of these plugins are quite loud, a lot of these sends, sorry. So, like I said, nothing's really going on beat 1, it's more about, like, you could probably even get rid of the kick on beat 1. Let's try it. Yeah, but we want it a bit where the sub's in. Okay, let me take a look at this sub because I've changed it a lot by this frequency here. Let me just show you the Tubby version, so get the pads back, make this quiet. And then we can mess with this. We've basically got the sub version here, and inside it is just a bit of PD from B, 2 sine waves, and then this one is like the mid abuse version, distortions, EQs, getting rid of all the sub energy, getting the harmonics, bringing the harmonics out, right, then blending that together, grouping it, and then playing with this one, so we can have it subby and open it up. Let's try it. Cool, so I don't want the harmonic too high because it sounded a bit different. Try it like this, it blends in better. That's about it. Cool. Right, so to make the stabs, very simple. You're going to get the Serum 2. Go like this, E flat. So it's these 3. It's D sharp, F sharp, A sharp. But what you can do is grab these bottom ones, press Alt and Shift and up. So it's like rearrange the chord for you, it'll sound a bit better. Now go in here, spread it on here, create this shape. Add this to here. Bit of release. Cool. Jump in here. What you can do is soften it a bit. Soft clip. Maybe EQ. Chorus. Bit of movement. Slow it down a bit. But we want convolve, so we want delay and reverb. So go for a big one, massive. Cool, and then finally the delay. Go up, press this one. Go, so it's 1/8 dotted. And you can add another soft clip or a tuba. Or you can mess around with put that on here. Maybe detune it a bit. Cool. Right, what you can do, right click, bounce track in place. Try -12 then. Or +12. Sounds pretty good. Let's try to tap it like this. Ready?